It is indeed my pleasure to welcome you to the 2016 staging of the National Medal for Science and Technology and the National Innovation Awards ceremony presented by the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology. This is indeed the 6th staging of these awards, which were established in 2005 and are now a biennial event intended to celebrate achievements, stimulate creativity, and create opportunities for those whose foresight opened new realms for us in the fields of science and technology.
The National Medal of Science and Innovation Awards recognizes the efforts and the creative competencies that exist here in Jamaica. These awards, ladies and gentlemen, are the pride of a nation that is beginning to recognize the value and importance of scientific research as the hallmark of development. Initiatives of this nature give so many Jamaicans a foothold into science, technology, innovation, and entrepreneurship.
The Scientific Research Council's Young Scientists and Technologists Award, ladies and gentlemen, is not just an award. It is an award for excellence. It's an instrument of pride. It's a promise for a better Jamaica. It's a promise that we have a future in improving the quality of lives of all our people.
And this is a very important moment for this young woman.
It is very important to me. It reminds me of my philosophy, Galatians 6 verse 9, let us not be wearying well-doing if we faint not. So don't give up, continue pressing on. So with that, I always continue with the research. I always look towards forming new products, work towards nutraceuticals, functional food for diabetes and hypertension.
The awards seek to identify, recognize, reward, as well as facilitate intellectual property protection and the commercialization of innovations originating from individuals and institutions in and of Jamaica. The goal of the awards program is to energize the growth and development of innovations in science and technology, which can then, in turn, support and enhance the government's science and technology policy.
It feels good to know that we're recognized by our country for the things that we have done, and I'm so delighted and look forward to doing more. We're actually going to expand the system to include real-time tracking of the buses, so you will be able to know, as a matter of fact, where your next bus is, how soon you'll get there, and what time your actual time you'll arrive at your destination. So we're bringing it first world.
We're just really honored to be recognized for the work that we've achieved so far, and look forward to performing more and coming up with a new invention for the next awards ceremony.
As a country, we recognize the tremendous work that you have done and the value that you have added to this country. For that, we say, job well done. As an administration, we are cognizant of the transformative role played by the advancements in science, technology, and innovation. And we are in full support of the activities in this regard.
It's a very important win, to know that, you actually build something and to come to the National Innovation Award and win. It's very, very interesting, very important, even to my family.
For me to enter this competition and came out to be the winner in the energy sector speaks volume. We want to start a rollout production, and our aim really is to recycle all streetlights in Jamaica.
I am beside myself. It really pushes me forward now. I mean, a lot of work has been done so far, but I am super stoked, very motivated. I've gotten a huge push now to make this thing the best possible thing, the best possible product and innovation that it can be.
Really feel good. Sometimes you don't know people are really watching what you're doing. But I was just looking back on this 40 years of this work in diabetes. I didn't know I'd gotten so old. But I really feel good, and I want now to see if I can build. We have been doing that, but even now, even more so, to build a team to take on the work, because this is just the beginning.